the continuation of the topic, applications of differentiation. As you can see, we have solved a lot of questions in the previous videos. So we want to solve this question to see how differentiation is used to get local minimum or local maximum of a given function. Please endeavor to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Nwachukwu Daniel. Okay, local minimum can be called relative minimum. Local maximum can be called relative maximum. Okay, so these two terms can be used synonymously. Okay, so now note that when you have the square y all over the x square and it's greater than 0, you say minimum, it will be minimum. When you say the square y all over the x square and it's less than 0, you say it will be maximum. When you say the square y all over the x square equals to 0, you say point of inflation. So with this, let's see what to do in this question. Now, first thing, write the function. Write it y equals to 4x cubed minus 9x squared minus 12x plus 7. So, now differentiate the function. That will be giving you power times coefficient 12x squared. This minus 18x minus 12. That is the differentiation. Now, when dy dx is equated to 0, what you will be getting is the critical point or stationary point or you can call it the turning point. So now we equate this to 0. 12x squared minus 18x minus 12 equals to 0. 6 can go through. If 6 divides, to reduce this equation, we have 2x squared minus 3x minus 2 equals to 0. Now, once you factorize this function, you'll be having 2x squared minus 2x minus x minus 2 equals to 0. This bracket, this bracket, this. So this will be 2 brackets 2x bracket s minus 1 minus this will also give you minus 1 bracket. If you remove minus 1 here, it will be giving you x plus 2. Okay? Let's factorize it well. If you want to factorize, you can use quadratic formula, which says minus b 3 plus or minus square root of 9 plus 4ac. 4 bracket 2 times minus 2. That will be giving you 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 plus is 25 all over 2a. 2 times a, 4. So what we'll be having is 3 plus or minus 5. Square root of 25 is 5. So 4 times 2, 8, 16 plus 9, 25. Square root of 25 is 5 all over 4. that will be giving you 8 over 4, 2, or that will be giving us 3 plus 5 all over 4, or 3 minus 5 all over 4. That will be giving us 2, 3 plus 6, 8 all over 4, 2, or minus 1 over 2. So these are the values at the critical point. These are the critical points of this function. That is the values of the x when the x is equal to 0. Now, after getting your critical point, just write it down. Say these are your critical point. Now, you see, the square y over the x square means differentiate this, the y, the x again. You can differentiate this one, you can differentiate this one, you have reduced to its simpler. So differentiate 2x squared, it will give you 4x. If you use this, it will give you the same answer. If you use this one, you have reduced to its lower form, it will still give you the answer. This is the actual form of it, this is the reduced form of it. So 2 times 4, 2 times 2, 4x, minus 3x, minus 3x, differentiation of it is minus 3. Then differentiation of minus 2 is 0. So what you now do is that to get the local maximum and local minimum values of this, what you do is that carry these two, put here. 4 times 2, 8. 8 minus 3. When x equal to 2, carry these two, put here. It implies that 4 bracket 2 minus 3, that will be 5. Since it is positive, it means that when x is 2, that is the minimum point. Minimum point. Because x is positive. Then when x equal to minus half, you put it here. That will be giving you 4 bracket minus 1 over 2 minus 3. That will be giving you minus 5, negative. So this will be the maximum value. So since this x equal to 2 gave us positive in the square x, in the square y over the x square, it gave us positive 5. We say that will be the minimum point. So minimum point will be at x equal to 2. Then the maximum point will be at x equal to minus 1 over 2. So that is how to get the local minimum and local maximum values of a given function. So we have gotten the local minimum and local maximum. So if you want to get the corresponding value of y, the implication is as x is 2, the maximum value of y will be carry 2 and put it here. So you say 4 bracket y equals to 4 bracket 2 raised to the power of 3 minus 9 bracket 2 raised to the power of 2 minus 12 bracket 2 plus 7. So that will be giving you 2 raised to the power of 3, 8. 8 times 2, 32. Plus 2 raised to the power of 3, 8. 8 times 4, 32, please. 2 raised to the power of 2, 4. 4 times this. Minus 36. Then minus 24 plus 7. This will give you minus 4. Minus 4. Minus 4 minus this. It will be giving you minus 28 plus 7. Minus 21. So the corresponding value of y, when you carry x equal to 2 and put here, will be y equal to minus 21. Then when x is minus 1 over 2, when you put it here, you will be having 4 bracket minus 1 over 2 all raised to the power of 3 minus 9 bracket minus 1 over 2 all squared minus 12 bracket minus 1 over 2 plus 7. So what will happen is this will be giving you 2 raised to the power of 3, 8 minus 4 over 8. That is minus 1 over 2. Then this will be giving you minus 9 over 4. Minus 9 over 4, right? Yes. Then here we'll be giving you plus 6 plus 7. Then when you look for the LCM will be 4. 2 times 6 minus 2 minus 9 plus 24 plus 28. So this will give you 52. 52 plus 9, 52 minus 9 will give you 43. 52 minus 9 will give you 43. Yes. Then 43 minus 2 will give you 41. So y equal to 41. This is the minimum value of x and this is the minimum value of y. Maximum value, this is the minimum value of x and the corresponding value of y, while this is the maximum value of x and corresponding value of y. Remember, it is from this information that you get it. When you get your dy dx, keep the value, then differentiate that function that you have differentiated before, differentiate it again to get the square y over the x square. Whatever you get, carry these two values, put. The one that gives you a higher answer that is greater than 0 will be the minimum value, while the one that gives you a lower answer that is less than 0 will be the maximum value. Then when you carry the x equal to 2 and put in this function y, what it will be giving you is the corresponding value of y. And when you carry this and put here, as we put here, 4 bracket this, and that gave us minus 1 over 2, this minus 9 over 4, this plus 6 plus 7, and we look for the LCM. It gave us 4 minus 2, 4 divided this 1, minus 9 plus 1 divided 4, 4 times 24, 1 divided 4, 28, 28 plus 6, 52, 52 plus 9, 43, 52 minus 9, 43, 43 minus 2, 41, and we have 41 all over 4 to be the corresponding value of y. Okay? That is the answer to this question. Please try to subscribe and see our more videos that will come up. See you next time.